Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn Bayes' theorem with clear visuals and examples. Bayes' theorem is a way to update your belief. You start with a prior belief, you get new evidence, and you produce an updated belief called the posterior. The formula is probability of A given B equals probability of B given A times probability of all divided by probability of B. Example 1. The cookie mystery. There are two jars. Jar 1 has mostly chocolate cookies. Jar 2 has an even mix. You pick a jar at random and pull out a chocolate cookie. What is the chance you pick jar 1? Let's write the key numbers. The prior chance of jar 1 is 0.5. The chance of chocolate given jar 1 is 0.75. The chance of chocolate given jar 2 is 0.5. Now compute the total chance of chocolate. That is 0.75 times 0.5 plus 0.5 times 0.5. Now use Bayes' theorem. The probability of jar 1 given chocolate is 0.375 over 0.625. That equals 0.6 or 60%. Example 2. A rare disease test. Only 1 out of 1,000 people has the disease. The test is positive 99% of the time if you have a disease, but it has a 2% false positive rate if you do not. Now compute the total chance of the positive test. It is 0.99 times 0.001 plus 0.02 times 0.999. Now, apply Bayes' theorem. The chance of disease given a positive test is 0.99 times 0.001 divided by that total. The final answer is about 0.047 or 4.7%. Bayes' theorem helps us combine a prior belief with new evidence. It is powerful because it prevents us from being misled by rare events. Thank you for watching.